Well, good morning. My lawnmower's broke. Not really, the belt, main drive belt. Somebody put a 1/2-inch belt on it. And all the belts are 5/8. So I got a new 5/8 belt. And I got a new belt for the one side. And now I got to put together. But it run into a little problem. Well, yeah, the 1/2-inch belt just didn't have enough pull to it, and it'd slip all the time. Anyhow, looky what right down here. There's a less than a 1/4-inch clearance there to get the belt on, and about 3/8 inch there. So how am I going to stick that 5/8 inch wide belt in there? It looks like I'm going to have to take it apart here and raise this frame up a little to get around that. Or I might have to take the pulley off, kind of get the belt on, and put the pulley back on, and put things back together. But anyhow, it's get a little complicated, so I don't know, I'll get to work and get this done. And I know not much point in me showing you how to break off bolts and everything, so I'll get back with it here in a minute. Well, it kind of looks like it's not too bad a deal after all. I took the little hydraulic cylinder off. It was just a hair room enough to get it off. And I got my helper here. Anyhow, then I took the nut off and knocked the pulley loose. And it clears there. And yeah, I can get the belt on. And then put it back on there somehow or another, see? I guess I'll get the belt on and we'll be back mowing here for a while. I got it on. That worked out real good. Yeah, I just thought just for the fun of it, I'd show you something. All them other guys are telling you about some trick some old mechanic taught them. Well, no old mechanic taught me this because I'm an old mechanic and I had to learn it myself. It's my Louisville Slugger torque amplifier. Kind of works pretty good for some things. That's okay for now. We'll finish this up. All right, got all back together. Let's see, good as new. Even got the belts up there. Got a new one over there. Replace that worn cotter pin. Anyhow, I'll be out mowing this afternoon and see whether everything works any better. As soon as the guy comes here earlier afternoon and get that old let's see, yeah, get that old hay wagon I sold him. Sold him 2 wagons. He's got to come get that yet. As soon as I get it loaded, I'll get back to mowing. Alright, that's all for now. Oh, rate and subscribe and all that good stuff on my YouTube, just for whatever. Alright, that's all. I got it riding, and the belt don't seem to slip. Now it looks like I need more tractor. Looks like I'm bent a blade. I gotta go fix it.